Welcome back to another video in the Django Foundation series. In this video, we are going to understand how to delete a post that we are seeing. To add a delete functionality to the feature, we're just going to add a new URL endpoint that is going to let us delete the post. So let's go to url.py and go to path, and I'm going to call this as delete. And I want to also tell the view what post I want to exactly delete. So I'm going to be like delete and then pass a URL parameter that passes the post ID so that I can fetch that post and then delete it, comma, I'm going to add the view name, which is going to be delete post. I'm going to import the delete post here, go to my view and add that view below here. So def delete post and request, it's also going to take the post ID. So we know from the CRUD operation that if I have to delete a given row from the database or a given instance, I need to first fetch it and then do dot delete on it. So we already have the ID, so let's just directly fetch the post. So I'm going to be like post is equal to blog post dot objects dot get, and pk is going to be the post ID that has been passed, and when I get the post, I'm just going to do post dot delete. That's about it. That's all we need to do to delete the post. And once this is deleted, we are going to redirect the user to all post page. Great, because now that post doesn't exist anymore, so I can only send that user to home page or the all post page. So I'm going to send that user to all post page. Now we want to be able to have this button of deleting a post in each blog post page, right? So I'm going to go to post.html and under this h1 tag add a tag, and here I'm going to give the URL of deleting that post. So I'm going to be like delete slash double flower braces. I need to pass the post ID. I already have it as selected post, and then I can do dot ID on it, and in the a tag I'm going to type in delete. So if I press delete and now go to the each post, I should be able to see a delete post under each page. So now we seem to have an error in line 26. Now let's go check that in urls.py. So the error seems to be that I have missed a comma after this path. So this is another beginner mistake, which is what everybody makes while learning. So please be sure that you go add a comma after each path that has been added. And now let's see, it should restart the server. Great, so now we have restarted the server. I can visit a given post page. Great, and under each post there will be the delete button available. So I can go to 4, I can go to 3, and you should be able to see the delete button. So you can actually see at the bottom, actually look at the bottom corner here near the start button, and as I hover over the delete button, you can see the endpoint that is going to be previewed. So if I hover over the delete, you can see that the URL that it is going to go to is /delete/3. That means I want to delete the third post. So if I click this, it should just delete it, and I should be able to go to the all post page. I can delete my fourth post also, and now only 2 posts should be left. And that's how we delete a given post from our database and add an endpoint that can do it. So now, of course, we have not added any kind of authentication where we check who is deleting the post, whether should we let them or not, but that's for another video. Until then, take care, guys.